the person who has delivered the basics idea, the videos and all, he's used the material like videos, clipping, PowerPoint, etc. and so on in the teaching. The way of approach is very nice. It is approachable to the students also. As well, and what he has shared, the knowledge on cyber security is really appreciable. So because we have attended so many cyber security workshop itself, but it's very nice and it is a hands-on session. And one more keen interest I got from this session is he is offering FDP programs as well, internship programs to the students and all. So in the afternoon session also, it's a very nice handful session. We are able to understand how we can track the user records through some of the programming example and all. So overall, it's a very nice experience what we got today. Thank you.